In this video, we will open an IBM Planning Analytics Cube view directly in Google Sheets. And then we'll create a new one, and save it back to IBM Planning Analytics TM1 server. Let's expand the Revenue Cube views, and drag and drop the default view to our IBM Planning Analytics book. Here we can see some revenue details by product groups for 2020 and 2021. We will switch back to Google Sheets, and use TeamOne sidebar. We can open the same view from the Model tab. TeamOne will create a new exploration sheet with the view name, but we will choose to keep it on current sheet. Let's refresh the data to see the same results in Google Sheets. Now let's modify the data layout by moving the version dimension to the filters and the year dimension to the rows. Finally, let's save this exploration as a new cube view directly in IBM Planning Analytics server. We can add our view to the same IBM Planning Analytics book. And see the same results as in Google Sheets.